Question 7. 58-year-old man is brought to the physician for worsening mental status over the past 2 months. His son reports he was initially experiencing memory lapses over the past 3 weeks. He has been having difficulty performing daily activities. Yesterday he lost his way while heading to the post office down the street. He has a history of hypertension, being treated with lisinopril and hydrochlorothiazide. Okay. The vital signs are within normal limits. He is verbally non-communicative but alert. Muscle strength is within normal limits. Reflexes are 2+ and symmetrical in the bilateral upper and lower extremities. Diffuse involuntary muscle jerking is present that can be provoked by loud noises. Mental status examination shows a blunt affect. Okay, this is important. Mental status examination shows a blunt affect. Temporal involvement is there. Limbic system. Complete blood count and serum concentration of glucose, creatinine, electrolytes are within reference range. Okay. Magnetic resonance imaging of the brain shows cortical diffuse restriction. Which of the following is most likely to be the cause of this patient's diagnosis? Option A, APP gene mutation. Option B, a corneal graft from an infected donor. Option C, increased CAG repeats. Option D, mutations in ATP7B gene. Option E, thick bodies inclusion. In this particular question also, so how do you get prions? You cannot just get prions like that. This question will help you sort that. 58-year-old man brought to the physician, worsening mental status over the past 2 months. Son reports initially experiencing memory losses for the past 3 weeks. He has been having difficulty performing daily activities. Yesterday he lost his way. Okay, he has hypertension. So this is only presentation. Mental status is lost. Okay, he's losing his memory as well. He's having difficulty performing tasks, so motor function is also lost. All right, we come to know this much. Then he is verbally non-communicative but alert. Muscle strength is within normal limits. Reflexes are 2+. Bilateral. Okay. Diffuse involuntary muscle jerking is present that can be provoked by noises. This is particularly important. Okay. This is a particular sign that is seen in hyperacusis, not exactly hyperacusis, but this is a particular sign that is seen in this, startle myoclonus. Question 6. Yeah, just give me a second. I'll explain question 6 after this. Startle myoclonus is the exact sign, that word I was looking for. Startle myoclonus. So you see startle myoclonus only with prion disease. So you just need to know that you can get it from an infected corneal graft. Yeah, it's a prion disease. So you can get it from an infected corneal graft. Basically you get it when you have a transmission via an organic brain tissue. Now we of course don't do brain transfers, so cornea is as close as the neural connection that we can get, and so from a corneal graft we can get we can by eating beef, eating beef which is infected by this particular prions. We can also get it from there. So two of the main sources I've already told you, a corneal graft and a beef, eating raw uncooked beef, that can also transmit the prions. And where do we get these prions from? We get this from some person who already has them. So we get this from a corneal graft from a person who was infected, okay, or by eating beef which was infected. And this is a very rare presentation is a Kuru disease. Kuru disease is when you see cannibalism in which some New Guinea or some Indonesia, I think some countries over there in the in that particular region of the world have these traditions of cannibalism, and so you have prion disease is very common over there. Yes, extensive gliosis, but moreover vacuolation. Vacuolation is important. Vacuolation plus.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.